guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in an open collab. It was a challenge invitation hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and as well as Creatively MS Me with Stephanie. I will have both of their channels linked down below. They had asked us to decorate our fireplace for the summer, and I've already done one similar video a couple weeks ago where I decorated my living room, and which also has a fireplace, so I've done other parts of that room as well. So I will link that down below in case if you wanted to have a look. The fireplace looks different. The decor is definitely different for this fireplace than it is for that one. So, and they wanted us to use some sort of flowers in it and just to have fun. So I am standing in my family room. This is my huge fireplace that I have between the two windows, and typically I decorate this fireplace in a rustic farmhouse style. I have been kind of evolving my style over the years, and I think I had nailed it for this particular room. In my opinion, it is what I like. So now in order to decorate this, I have taken everything off, cleaned the fireplace, and I'm going to show you some of the items that I might be using in this decor. So it might be all of them or it might be some of them. This part here is actually part of the table, so that won't be used, but here are some of the things that will be or might be used.
If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights.
So I'm going to get started with decorating.
Say yes, choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or
So here it is, all nicely decorated, and I will give you a full tour now of it close up.
And I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face. My mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause when growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last.
So over here, the big lantern I got at Home Sense, and I filled it with these little tiny flower bulbs that came from Dollarama. The candle is a Yankee candle in Sun and Sand. The bicycle came from Dollarama. The candelabras were thrifted. The little piece of wood came from a cottage that we spent about 5 or 6 years vacationing at, so I wanted to bring something to remember, and I thought this piece of driftwood was perfect. I had DIY'd that wreath, and I have a video for that I will link down below. That vase I've had for many years. The dogwood flowers came from Dollarama. The pieces of wood that are inside had come from local florist, as well as this twine or wood wall came from a local florist. The cloche was thrifted, and it has actually real lemons and limes in there, just because I had a hard time finding fake ones, so I've resorted to using a real thing. So I'd like to thank Kenya and Stephanie for hosting this collab or challenge. I love decorating, love sharing it with you guys, so this was right up my alley. So until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and don't forget to check out the playlist that will be linked down below, as well as Kenya and Stephanie's channel. And if you are brand new stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face. My mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause when growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head